Today we are in Desoto, Missouri. This beautiful new construction open floor plan on 73 acres of land with creek access and much more. With all that being said, let's go check out the inside. All right, before we go inside, I definitely want to show you the 4 bay doors. I mean, this gives you so much access with heated and cool flooring to fit everything you could possibly need from an RV, huge trucks, toys, bikes, and boats. And you also get ample storage on the side of the home where you can fit a boat with multiple parking spaces out front with a giant gated in driveway. Thanks again to Tara, the listing agent. She was a wonderful agent who let me tour this beautiful property and was amazing to communicate with and set this all up for you guys. Now let's go check out the inside of the property. All right, so starting out right here is the main hallway where you enter in from. So you got your concrete flooring with your baseboards. Then let's go right over to our left, which is the second main living quarters. So right here is where you're going to be having a lot of families spend their time at. Beautiful wide open space. I mean, just look at this, guys. How crazy. All right, next, let's go to the 4,600 square feet worth of space, which is this beautiful, insane garage. Like I mentioned, I mean, you can fit RVs. So as you see, you can fit diesels, you can fit dirt bikes, four-wheelers, all of it. Thanks again to Tara for letting me go tour this property. If you guys want a private showing or want to go see this property, feel free to reach out with me. I mean, I know Tara would be the perfect co-op agent and make this transaction just perfect. And look at all of this space, guys. You guys could literally put anything in here. Wow, okay. Let's go to the main living quarters. So this is the living room. You have your bar top table, and if we look right over, you guys can see that there's so much space for multiple chairs, multiple people, with a glass fireplace. Insane beautiful concrete wall, and it makes you feel perfectly boxed in. Look at that. Nice, nice. Next, we have cabinetry right here for wine, stuff like that, and all your glasses. And here we have your dining. This is dining for the whole family. Everything is pretty central and right where you need it. Perfect access. Next, let's go to the kitchen. So the kitchen is stunning. I mean, look at it, guys. So you have brown cabinetry, black countertops. Perfect. Also, you have stainless steel finishing. You have more bar side for family eating breakfast. And you have that roll-up window, which is absolutely perfect for the back deck. So, you got family. Let's see, with the beautiful views. You have family, outside here. You can roll this up and give drinks, give food, light a fire out there. It's just absolutely perfect. So, lastly, about this wonderful kitchen is the exhaust right there for the stove. And if we go over here, this is where we have more of our, food, where we can store everything at. Just a lot of storage. Maybe the only thing I would add or include here would be more storage or shelving down there. And then lastly, you guys do have your power box. All right, perfect. Now let's head over to the kind of central bathroom that everyone's going to be using. So right from the dining table to our left has a shower, 2 vanities, 2 sinks, storage, everything you could possibly need. Look at this, guys. They did not cheap out. And like I mentioned, ample storage room for everything you guys could need. All right, with all that being said, let's go to the main bedroom. So immediately, as you guys can see, you have carpet flooring, enough space that you can put a California king bed here. Perfect. As well, you guys do have good views right outside to see the front. And let's go to this massive bathroom. Look at that. Gigantic vanity on the right side. What's up, guys? And this gigantic bathroom. So let's see this tub. Dang, okay. Last is the main storage. So this is a gigantic walk-in closet. Look at this. There's so much storage for all of your clothing you could possibly need. Shoes, shoe racks, shelving right here in the middle. I mean, just ample storage. All right, so what about laundry? Laundry as well with the bathroom, the main bedroom are both on the main floor. So right here to the right in the main hallway is a laundry system. So you have your laundry bins down here, your folding table, your 4 laundry sets. That is a lot of laundry machines, but you got a big family. It works. Here's a bunch of storage, and let's go to the bedroom. So this is our second bedroom. Enough space. They got double bunk beds. It works. And then you have extra storage in here. And that's it. All right, now let's go check out the upstairs. So this is where they're kind of saying you can add one more bedroom. They have a theater system up there, office, workout system, just everything. So let's go to the top. And here also for children, you got your big slide. Maybe not for children. Maybe we'll go down it. All right. These are sturdy steps. Perfect. Now look at this view, guys. Oof. All right. Now, as we're upstairs, this is like the theater room. This is where your kids can play on the carpet, where it's safe. You can store your toys. Gigantic family table, TV, everything you can need, with a bunch of storage option right here. It's a little dark, but it goes back there. Like, it goes pretty far back there, and it shows shelving, but it goes even further back. Next room is what they're counting that could be another bedroom, is the workout room. So you got your matting here, and yeah, just ample space for anything you could really want if you don't work out, with another gigantic storage room. And last on this is the office, or you could use it for really anything. Right now it looks like it's using as a salon. There we go. But yeah, also this property again is on a 73 acres. It's on near a creek. Bunch of room to really do whatever you guys could want. So there you have it, a beautiful home listed for sale in DeSoto, Missouri. If you're wanting to schedule a private tour, don't forget to shoot us a call or send us a text. All my information should be on the screen or in the link below, and I can't wait to speak to you very soon.